This video may help you to understand what is combined mean and its computational procedure. Many times we are interested in finding combined mean of two or more groups. If means and group sizes are given, we can find combined mean. In this video, we compute combined mean of two groups only. So let us see the definition first. Suppose x1 bar be the arithmetic mean of first group of size n1 and x2 bar be the arithmetic mean of second group of size n2. Then the combined mean is sum of the observations in first group plus sum of the observations in second group divided by size of first group plus size of second group. That is x bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. Now let us see few examples. Example: arithmetic mean of weight of 20 boys is 60 kg and the arithmetic mean of 30 girls is 50 kg. Calculate the arithmetic mean of combined group of girls and boys. In this example, let us assume that n1 equal to size of first group, that is number of boys, n2 equal to size of second group equal to number of girls, x1 bar equal to arithmetic mean of weight of 20 boys, x2 bar equal to arithmetic mean of weight of 30 girls. Let us write down this information in terms of notation. n1 equal to 20, x1 bar equal to 60, n2 equal to 30, x2 bar equal to 50. In order to find combined mean, we have to substitute these values in our formula. Therefore, x bar is equal to 20 into 60 plus 30 into 50 divided by 20 plus 30. After simplification, we get this. After simplification of this, we get this divided by 20 plus 30 is 50. This plus this is this divided by 50. Therefore, x bar is equal to 54 kg. That is the arithmetic mean of combined group of girls and boys is 54 kg. Here is the next example. In this example, combined mean is given, size of first group, that is n1 is given, arithmetic mean of first group, that is x1 bar is given, size of second group, that is n2 is given, and we have to find x2 bar, that is arithmetic mean of second group. This is our formula. Let us substitute the given values in this formula. X bar is equal to 170 equal to n1 100 into x1 bar 210 plus n2 200 into x2 bar as it is divided by n1 plus n2 is 100 plus 200. We write this 170 as it is equal to, we simplify this term, we get this plus 200 into x2 bar divided by 100 plus 200 is 300. Let us cross multiply this. So 170 into 300 equal to 21,000 plus 200 into x2 bar. Shift this 21,000 this side. Therefore 51,000 minus 21,000 equal to 200 into x2 bar. This subtraction gives this equal to 200 into x2 bar. Therefore x2 bar equal to 30,000 divided by 200, that is x2 bar equal to 150. That is the arithmetic mean of second group is 150. Okay, this is one more example. In this case, n1 size of first group is given, x1 bar arithmetic mean of second group first group is given, x2 bar arithmetic mean of second group is given, x bar c combined arithmetic mean is given. Now we have to compute n2 size of second group. This is our formula. So in order to find n2, let us rearrange the term first. So we cross multiply this n1 plus n2 to x bar c. Therefore n1 plus n2 x bar c equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar. Solve this bracket. n1 x bar c plus n2 x bar c equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar. Now substitute the given values. n1 is 50 into x bar c is 85 plus n2 as it is into x bar c 85 equal to n1 50 into x1 bar is 120 plus n2 as it is into x2 bar is 60. After simplifying this, we get this 85 n2 as it is equal to, simplification of this is 6000 plus 60 into n2. We shift this 60 n2 this side, therefore 85 n2 minus 60 n2 equal to 6000 minus 4250. Subtraction of this is 25 n2 equal to subtraction of this is this. Therefore n2 equal to this divided by 25. Hence we get n2 equal to 70. That is group size of second group is 70.